Hey, the number one question on everyone's lips when you think about buying a lawn care franchise is why buy a franchise? Why not build it yourself? So anyway, this morning I'm going to basically just give a few thoughts. Can't say that very well this morning. On why it's a good idea to buy a franchise. That's just any franchise, not necessarily the lawn service. Or gardening lawn service, but just any franchise. There seems to be three really big reasons for doing it. One is, and in my opinion, the absolute biggest one is when you buy a franchise and it's correctly run, the franchisor is a good person, a good team. What you'll find is you get a lot of support, and that support, assuming it is correct, is absolutely priceless. It's absolutely priceless to be surrounded by like-minded people with like-minded ambitions going through the same challenges. So that's the first thing. Joining a franchise gives you the opportunity to work with people that have got experience. The second one is, and it's quite important to understand, is every lawn care business is kind of the same thing. It's delivering basically a better result, a better piece of grass, a better lawn for the client. But what's important about buying a franchise is the business model. Now, the importance of the business model is that whoever has built that franchise business model should know the absolute ins and outs of how you're going to get customers, how you're going to lose customers, and actually also the other one that's really important is how you're going to lose money. Because one of the greatest challenges of any business owner starting up a business or any entrepreneur is not giving away your money to people that simply ask you to give it away at the drop of the hat. So buying a franchise gives you an opportunity to basically understand that business model. And the business model should basically mitigate and minimize wastage of your money. So therefore you can get customers better and cheaper, and you can lose them less fast, because you will lose customers, let's be honest about it. But the thing is that you will also know how not to waste your money, and that's actually really, really important. And I can tell you, having run the All Gardening Lawn Service for 15 years, there have been occasions when I haven't been able to hold on to my profit because other people have convinced me that I need them, and that's been a shame. So the third thing is basically that when you buy a franchise, technically it's all built. You don't have to think about what to build, and I think that's really important, because building a business, I can tell you from an idea, even if you're going to copy someone else's idea, is building that business takes time. It takes experiments, it takes money, just getting the branding right, getting the livery right, getting the communications to a customer right, buying the right machinery, making sure you don't buy crap machinery that breaks really quickly, knowing how to maintain your machinery. I've learned an awful lot from working part-time, free actually, with some golf courses, just to understand how the greenkeepers, good greenkeepers, look after their kit. So those are the 3 points. One is basically you're not on your own, that's really valuable. 2, the business model's there for you to learn. And 3, it should all be set up so it's nice and easy just to plug in. So once you've all got it plugged in, the job is then just to kind of gradually, patiently and calmly invest in building customers. And that's where I hope I can help an awful lot. Anyway, thank you very much for listening. Today is Tuesday. My kids go back to school tomorrow, and hopefully we can start moving with some lawn opportunities for everyone. Anyway, take care, see you, bye.